Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have got an essential guide for all your Instagram users out there. Have you ever accidentally deleted a post on Instagram and thought it was gone forever? Well, fear not. In this video I'm going to show you how to recover those deleted posts on both Android and iOS devices. Let's dive right in. First, if you have accidentally deleted a post on Instagram, don't panic. Here's what you can do. Open the Instagram app on your Android and iOS devices and log into your account. Navigate to your profile by tapping on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once you are on your profile, tap on the menu icon in the top right corner. From the menu options, select your activity. In the Your Activity menu, tap on Recently Deleted. Here you will find all the posts you have deleted within the last 30 days. Simply select the post you want to recover, then tap on Restore. And there you have it. Your deleted post is back on your profile. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.